Alright, Deep and Hacks. Hey guys, today is Friday, March 6th. It's like 3:30 p.m. When I went to bed last night, there wasn't a single speck of snow on the ground. Check this out. Alright. Delaware County is now under a level 2 snowstorm. When it hits level 3, you can get arrested for driving on public roadways. I cleaned the windshield off like 2 minutes ago, and that's how fast it's covered up. As you can see, I'm already sinking in the snow. We're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches tonight. It's probably, I think it's about 26, 25 degrees right now. We went and ran errands and stocked up on food. We got the 4-wheel drive SUV, so we don't have to worry about it. Let's go take a look at the road, the main road here, because this is just the parking lot. That is the main road. You can't even see the fucking road. Everybody's creeping along. We had, even in 4-wheel drive, we drove about 30 miles per hour from each end of town and back. And it's going to keep coming down. We're under a winter storm watch until I think 4 Saturday. So, like I said, we're not even 24 hours into it. So, buy me a plane ticket and send me to Cali, because I am so sick of this crap, guys. It's freaking But, this is your winter wonderland, guys. Since you say you never get snow, this is your snow for you, buddies. Now, yesterday was 50 degrees, so the water hasn't frozen yet. So we're supposed to get 15 to 20 mile per hour winds. And those winds cause all kinds of drifting, which is where you get crap like this by this car. It just piles on up. You can see the wind on the water there. Alright, let's give you an idea how deep it is. There's my feet. Okay, it's really, really, really cold. So, but here's a little taste of winter in the middle of freaking March. Beginning of March. It's gonna put you on. It's 3:55. I don't know if it'll pick it up or not. Kinda is. It's got a weird, green glow to it, though. But it's really, really snowy out. Yeah, it's picking up now. There's somebody driving in it, though. They're moving right along.
And then we're gonna find them frozen to death down the road in the morning. That's what they get for being out on the fucking roads. I know where Sophie is. I kind of want her to come up here because I know it's really fucking cold.
She's somewhere warm.
Not if I'm in this like wrapped up in blankets and stuff.
The reflection from the TV is in the way.
That's why like the cat's up here. He was laying under the blanket with me earlier. It's fucking cold. You should really put the blinds down. It's getting really cold in here now.
Alright. Hell yeah. It's too cold. I just gotta keep an eye on that central air thing though, because if it gets drifted up, it'll stop doing the blower motor feature into the house. The fucking central air unit sitting out there, if it gets caked up, we'll start having problems with the heat. Damn, that is a lot of fucking snow though. Yeah. It's like your car is surrounded by a huge drift that goes up to the top of the bottom bumper, or the back bumper.
Yeah, that was there last night.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I drove over it.
See, because of the way you're parked, it's coming behind your car, so it's not buried because of the wind. But it's still going to be a trek out there. It is pretty snowy. Or was, anyways. That's the road.